Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make this super soft underwear. And this underwear is specially for your period time. And this is super soft, super stretchy, and of course there will be no skin irritation. And as you can see this, so I'm going to show you how to make this underwear. This looks same as swimwear, guys, but this one is specially for the period time. This will fit amazingly. So first thing first, guys, I'm using this pattern, and of course a spandex cotton fabric you need. Spandex cotton fabrics are super stretchy that you don't need any other elastic, extra elastic. You can make bras and panties with this fabric. So this is the first thing, guys, I'm using this, and this is super easy to make as well. So just keep watching step by step, and this is really awesome, guys. Just give it a try. And I'm mentioning again that I'm using spandex cotton fabric to make this underwear. So just keep watching, guys.